I want you to take a look at this for me. Imagine starting your own affiliate marketing or any online business and going from zero to over $3,000 a month. And over here, a second stream of income from this, on average $500 a day. And even a third stream of income that is generating me on average $1,000 a week, where I'm having some days of up to $390 a day. Now, I do want to state that this is not just going to fall out of the sky, but I am going to lay the platform for you to start up something like this completely for free. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not here to give you a $2,000 course. This is just a free video on YouTube because my business models work for me, and I thought, okay, let's document my journey and see if other people can get results from this too. This you can do worldwide. It's not restricted to any country. You just need a laptop and an internet connection like I've got over here, and you're ready to go and make money online with this strategy. I'm going to show you 4 bonus platforms in this video that you can use to scale your business completely for free. These are very powerful new platforms that I really recommend that you pay attention to optimize and use them to the maximum capability to get the most traffic and make the most money online as possible. So you don't want to miss this one. I really recommend watch this until the end, as there is going to be epic and value-packed information in this video. I just quickly want to announce that I am doing a $20 giveaway in this video. All you need to do is leave a like, comment down below that you're ready, and make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on, and I will choose a random comment in tomorrow's video and send that person $20. Comment down below if you want me to do giveaways like this every single day, or if you'd rather prefer me to do course or valuable information giveaways instead of quick cash giveaways. Without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. Now, I quickly want to show you guys something. I found quite a unique niche right now that we can utilize to make a lot of money online. If I go and use this tool called keywordtool.io, I often use it. You can search up keywords for Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, etc. And I just searched quickly on YouTube the term weight loss. And this is a niche that has very low competition, but is getting a lot of high traffic. Now, these terms over here, weight loss diet, weight loss workout, weight loss tips, are getting anywhere between 2,400 and 5,000 views or searches every single day on YouTube. Now, take a look at this. I quickly did a quick background check on the weight loss term on Google Trends, how we can identify trends on Google. And if you have a look at this graph over here, August 2021, at the end of August, we had a percentage rate of 69%, which is quite a bit of traffic. But take a look at the projected trend. By August 2022 to 28th, all the way up to September 4th, we're going all the way to 90. That is a 40% increase in the search term weight loss. Why? Is because it's becoming summer. People want to get those summer bodies. It's the perfect time to piggyback along this trend that is starting to pick up virality. In fact, if you're watching this video now, you're very lucky because this term hasn't even gone viral yet. We're just before that virality, and now I'm going to show you how to set up a business to generate maximum profits from this viral trend about to go viral. Again, you will see in December, October, end of the year, it was all in the 90s. January again, beginning of the year, 80s, 90s. But as you get in the middle of the year, in winter, May, June, it goes down all the way to 50, 60. That's just because more people like to work out in the summer. So now we, as entrepreneurs, need to go and piggyback this trend if you want to make money with that. So the first step that we need to go and do is we need to go and find a product in the weight loss niche to go and make money. But I've got you covered and I've got you back. I'm going to show you the exact product that I've been using on ClickBank that a lot of people seem to love. On the top right, you can log in or sign up with your account. All you need is email, password, address, and you'll be able to verify your email, and you will log onto your dashboard like this, where you can see, let me just go back one over here, where you will see tons of different categories of products that we can go and promote. We've got health and fitness, green products, e-business, e-marketing, everything that you can think of. But obviously this video is about weight loss, which falls under the health and fitness category. Go and click on health and fitness, just click on it again so it opens up all the products in the subcategories. And on the first page, if you scroll down, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, This product over here is a goldmine of a product. The Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. What I like about this, first of all, it sells because people love smoothies. It's a form of a dessert, but these are healthy smoothies, and at the same time, your clients are reaching the goals of losing weight as the smoothie is helping them lose weight. So this is an awesome product that we can go and promote to teach people how to make their own smoothies, where to get the products, and make their own custom diet plan for these smoothies. There's one important point that I want you to take note of over here where it says stats gravity 252.71. This means that 252 people have made commissions on this product in the last month. So it's selling, it's doing well. The average on ClickBank is less than 100. So this is double the average on how well it is selling. So this is a good indicator on what kind of products to choose and how to categorize what products are doing well and what products are not. So we know what to not promote and we know what to go and promote. Every time you go and promote this product and make a sale, you will get $28.74 commission. So I'm going to click on the link to their sales page over here and take a look at this. This entire sales page is done for you. My internet's just being a bit slow. That's why we're getting a network error. So that's not the website. Don't stress about that. And you don't need to set up anything. As you can see, the checkout system, the sales page, all the proof of the product, all the testimonials, each and every what you're getting in the program, and all the bonuses as well. This whole sales page has been designed specifically for you as an affiliate to go and promote, which makes this so easy for us. We don't need to go and design our own page and spend hours and hours of putting pictures together. This is already here created for us. And in fact, I'm actually having a diet smoothie right now, so this just proves even me as a client to a product like this enjoys these kind of smoothies. But without further ado, let's continue. So the first thing that I'm going to show you now is the first platform we're going to go and use to promote this product. Now, all the platforms that I'm going to show you have a long-term Jeopardy traffic effect to it, meaning you can make money on the social media platform from work that you've put in years ago, which I really like about this. So firstly, I want to go and show you an Instagram page just like this called recipes.smoothie. Now, this is a page that has really perfected this. You can see they've got their icon, all the little stories over here, all the same yellow template. So they've got quite a nice yellow brand or theme going. And they have in their bio, get $10 off today over 36 delicious fat melting replacement recipes. And they've got a link to their ClickBank product over here, and all they are doing is literally posting simple little pictures, giving free advice on different smoothies. So for example, the cucumber detox smoothie, and they just put sub pictures of the different ingredients that you need. And these posts are doing okay. Even though they've got 54,000 followers, the likes aren't bad, but it's still generating them a lot of traffic, probably enough to about $50 to $100 a day in clicks and sales on their affiliate link. Here's another good example over here. So this is more a pink theme page, and you can see over here, in fact, most of these pictures actually just look like stock photos, and they're doing so well. Like this page is getting close to 300k followers and anywhere between 500 to 1,000 likes per post. Here's another good example over here. This page is actually doing really good. Same thing, smoothie diet guide. They're giving the different recipes of different smoothies. So what I'm telling you is you need to go and create an Instagram page and start a page like this. I'm going to show you a platform on how you can get tons of photos like this for your Instagram page without actually creating that yourself. And you can simply go and do that on Pinterest. So if you come over to Pinterest and you just search smoothies and click on enter, take a look at this. On Pinterest, you have all the content that you need. So what you can go and do is you can go and select one of these images, and you can go and actually download them to your PC. And all you need to do is right click on the image, click on open image in a new tab, and it will open this up full screen. Just go right click, save to your phone or your PC, come back to Instagram to your smoothie page that you've created. You can post this with a caption describing all of these recipes over here. And all I recommend is just tag in the caption or the description of your Instagram post the page of this Pinterest account. So you want to say credit Jessica Gavin apple smoothie with raspberries on Pinterest. So you do give them credit. So if they ever do see your post, they will appreciate the credit. You are allowed to repost content on Instagram, provided that you do provide credit to the original creator. If I go back, take a look at all of these smoothies over here. You've got the 19 low-calorie fruit smoothie. You can post this on your page and just recommend people to click the link in your bio. You want to create a simple description in your bio like this. So in this case, it would be over 21 diet recipes available for $10 off. You just want to put that in your bio and then leave your affiliate link in the description of your page over here. So that is step one, is just to go and create a page. But the key to this is you want to post consistently. Set a schedule and post, I recommend 2 times a day. Go and use TikTok content, go and use Pinterest content. Like I said, go and credit the original creator always. So that is the first platform done. The second step is going to use Pinterest itself. So you can do the opposite. You can come over to Instagram, download some of these posts over here on these big smoothie pages. You can just click on it. It'll open this picture up in full screen. Click on the 3 dots, click on copy link, come over to Google and just type Instagram downloader. Click on enter. Click on the first link over here, paste your Instagram page link over here, and you can download this picture directly to your phone or your PC. Come over to your Pinterest page. You want to create a smoothie theme page. Just go search smoothies up on Pinterest, go and look at the other pages and just take influence from there. I recommend don't copy and paste, but just get some ideas. That is literally how I started my YouTube channel. I got ideas from other big content creators that were my inspiration, and like that, I managed to build my own channel art. So the same thing with Pinterest, and you want to go and repost, and if you click on these Pinterest posts, you'll see each of them have a link. You just set them to your affiliate link so that when people click on your Pinterest page, it will take you to your landing page over here where all your viewers and clicks can get sales, where all your viewers and clicks can go and view your 21 recipe diet guide, and you will make a $28 commission every sale that you make. And the third step is probably the way that I've made the most money from this. You want to come over to any kind of platform where we can go and create a website, such as Builderall, Kartra, Webflows, Shopify, anything like that to create a simple landing page. So over here, I'm going to use a tool called Builderall. Firstly, because it's the only real tool that you get for free the first month with over $2,000 worth of bonuses. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below in the description, and you will get over $1,288 worth of bonuses when you sign up to Builderall completely for free on this page over here. So this page is the second link in the description. So go and claim all of this. Once you've signed up to Builderall through the link down below, it will take you to your dashboard like this where you can see all your tools. So just to quickly shortcut everything, this is a template page that Builderall offers for specifically weight loss niche. So over here you can import a done for you page like this. You can go and add your smoothies on the website like this and just link up these products to your affiliate link where they sell the product on your affiliate page over here. So that's the first thing I recommend. You're going to come over to the Cheetah website builder. You're going to click on enter over here, click on create new website, and just choose from professional templates. Wait for this to load up. Scroll down and you can click on the health and fitness category, or you can just click on all of them, and over here you will see hundreds of done for you websites that you can click on, select this and import at the click of a button. This being one of the examples over here that I recommend using for this specific product. Once you've got a web page like this and design your little landing page through Builderall, you can come over to Twitter. Now remember, you're running your Instagram page, you've got your Pinterest page generating your traffic already, you've got your website listed on Google. Fourthly, come over to Twitter and search, how can I lose weight? And click on enter. And over here, you can see people asking questions. Realistically, how much weight can I lose in a month? How can magically lose all the weight I gained since prom in 2020? So what you can go and do is you can scroll through Twitter, recommend to all these people your Instagram page for smoothies for free smoothie recipes. And from there, when you direct them to your Instagram page, obviously your Instagram page is going to do the work and upsell them to your affiliate link. You can do the same with your Pinterest page, or if you want to refer them directly to the landing page that you've created. But I really recommend rather start off by giving them free value by referring them to the Instagram page, as people can tell when you're trying to sell them something. But if you're trying to give someone just free value out of nowhere, they will appreciate that and you will build a better relationship with your lead. And fifthly, you want to go and utilize Facebook groups. The weight loss community on Facebook is absolutely huge. I found some free groups over here that you can go and join with hundreds of thousands of members. There is a first group over here, fitness, exercise, weight loss, and diet tips with over 51,000 members, 4 posts a day, meaning they are very active. There's another group over here with 100k members with 8 posts a month, so they're not that active. Weight loss, diet tips for women, 6 posts a day, so this is also very active, this group as well. So I recommend go and join the active groups. So let's go and click on this one over here, for example. which is a private group. You just need to click on join group, and you want to go and scroll through all the comments in this group, have a look at people that are answering questions, recommend to them, hey there, I just lost 10 pounds in the last month. I tried this smoothie diet that I found on this Instagram page over here, and you paste your Instagram link. Again, you redirect all that traffic to your Instagram link, because firstly, you're growing your Instagram page, and secondly, you're getting more traffic through to your affiliate link on your Instagram page, being the bridge page. So just like that, you've now got 5 platforms bringing you traffic and commissions. That's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and your own website that we've created on Builderall. So the whole idea of this is you want to be consistent with everything, and I recommend post on all of them every single day. That's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and your website as well, and keep generating traffic. Keep consistent at what you're doing. Like I say with anything, consistency is key, especially when it comes to content and building a brand like this online. So I really recommend, this is a great strategy, but you need to put in the effort. This is not something that's going to blow up to thousands of dollars in the first day. Who knows, you could get a viral post and things could get lucky for you, but I'm speaking to everyone. Not every single person is going to go viral. So I really recommend be consistent at this, and also think out the box. You can do a business model like this with other products, with other niches, with tech reviews, with business, finance, entertainment, jokes, or whatever you can think of. You can build a social media business like this and monetize all these platforms to generate maximum affiliate commissions. But what I'm going to do is to help you out. I'm going to leave my ClickBank and affiliate marketing playlist on the screen over here to help you out with more strategies and to open up your mind to more business models like this on how you can go promote your products. It'll really help you out. It's combined with the best ClickBank videos that I've posted on my channel in the past 2 years, compiled into one valuable playlist and course. So click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.